Ka Sorkar jela kalala ban Pyndep Haduh aspa Tylli ki projek ki bakan thup ya ka jingte ki government LP school building thamai ne ka jingma ramot bat pen thamai ya kumba chispa new Tylli ki projek ki badang pentrekam ba chispa ki school building badang thamai ki ban sa Pyndep ha keleng ki jaka jeng ke jela ya kanela ethu da menteri kesnat pule puthi Rakkam esama
107 ongoing.
Yeah.
Total 2000, no?
Yeah, total about more or less 2000 government LP schools. Out of which maybe some, because we have categories of A, B, C. A category A maybe around 4 to 500 school which will need a new complete building. B category will be having some minimum repairing or renovation. C category will be lesser with a lesser amount. So we have categorized with A, B, C, D. So with a D also categories there, with needs a minimum touch, right? So with all the infrastructure like furniture and all.
So what would you like to say? Because we've seen your coalition partner, Babana and BJP, they have been raising this issue time and again that the government schools are in a very, very bad shape. You must have heard in the previous
No, what he said is also not true. That's correct, because in last 50 years, so the infrastructure of the school buildings was not taken on priority basis. It is only after coming in this government, last 5 6 years, honorable chairman has taken on mission mode, like on mission education, right? On the mission education, all this building has been come off now. So what he said is also true, and what has been said, what has been done by the government is also not completed. We are only the 60 to, we have reached up to the 60 to 70%. We are another 30 to 40% long way to reach. Yeah, this is the rating as of now. This year also we will be constructing a new, some about 100 plus new school building across the state, and this will continue next years to come. So there is, we are taking a report from the department, from the SDSU, DSUs, from the ground level, from our officers. They will give on priority which school to be taken up at the end. So we are already communicated to them to give the proposal on priority, because so that the state can take it up.